Here are a few things you can test if your thread keeps popping out of your needle while you're sewing. The first one is to make sure your needle is still sharp and it hasn't dulled. Make sure you put in your needle properly with the flat part facing towards the back. You're also going to want to make sure that you screw it completely tight because that can affect it too. When you're taking your thread, you put it through the foot and towards the back. Make sure you have a few inches so it doesn't keep popping out. Make sure you have good quality thread that isn't going to snap easily on you. And of course, like I talked about in my other video, if your tension is too high, that's another reason that it could be happening.